Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, please kindly subscribe. For those that keep returning, a big thank you to you guys. Today I am so excited because I will be doing a wig review, and this is just not an ordinary wig. It is Afro Wigs in yellow and in green. And if you guys follow me on this channel, you know that I love me some Afro Wigs. So let's get right into the review. So this is the packaging. We're going to open it together. Wig 1 and wig 2. So let's see which one we're opening first. This is the yellow one. This store is on Amazon. I will add the link to my Amazon storefront for you guys. The link will be in my description. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god, guys, look at this. And it's like, I'm so excited already because I honestly cannot wait to get my dress and my outfit ready for this wig. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this wig on. Again, you guys don't have to manipulate the wig a lot. You just have to fluff. We know that it comes with a band and some combs inside right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on. Very excited for this wig, guys. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna wear this wig. I cannot wait to wear this wig this summer. So you want to make sure everything is good. Voila. C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. It's so beautiful. So what am I gonna call this wig? Guys, give me a name what I'm going to call this wig. It's so beautiful. It's very soft. It's very fluffy. It's not really shedding. The smell it has a type of smell, but it's a wig. But the smell is not bad at all. Very nice. I definitely give this 10 out of 10, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's go to number 2. This one I don't think is as loud as the yellow one because it's green, but I'm beginning to love the color green. So let's go ahead. We already know what the packaging look like. This is it. Once you're done, get out your wig. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So let's get it going. This is the green. As I said, I have this wig in all colors. Wig net. Gosh, so beautiful. As a Nigerian, if I was to go to our Independence Day parade, this would be one to wear to the parade. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very good. I'm going to go ahead and take off the band and hook it. Forget that I said that this is not as loud as the yellow. I was thinking it was a dark green, but it's equally as loud. Yeah, I feel like when I put this wig on, everybody's gonna be like, where are you going with this wig? I know you guys can already tell that I'm feeling this way, and honestly, I love this wig. I love both of them. So guys, as promised, I am going to put the link to the Amazon in the description for you guys to go and get. They have all colors. They have white, they have Oreo, they have black, they have pink, now they have yellow, now they have green. This is their latest colors. So hurry up and get one because it's going to be perfect for the summer. And for the girls that love wigs, listen, you need these wigs. You need these wigs. Hurry up and get one. Honestly, it's so soft. It's very fluffy. Let me just turn around for you guys to see what it looks like. It's so huge. Oh my god. This is the side. This is the back. Not even, like, it's so good. Like, and they are very lightweight. Hurry up, get one. Let me know if you get one. You could tag me on Instagram if you get one. You could still comment Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.